That's my dad, poor old dad, and it must have been towards the end of the time here because he retired when he was 70. And he hadn't really been used to farming because he was a coal merchant for 27 years. But then the family sold the coal business when his Aunt Lizzie died at Myers, and obviously the family must have rented the farm as a family rental farm to run alongside their farm up in Silverdale and the butcher shop in Silverdale. And so my dad was sort of more or less told that he would come and live here, and so he carried on until he was 70.
So what's he doing
and
there?
He was carrying the milking unit across from the ship and across to the dairy. When we first moved here there was no electric, so he milked by hand by the light of a hurricane lantern. But then I can't remember how soon, probably a couple of years, we got the electric, and then quite soon after that we got this the milking machine, and that was a huge step forward then. And the milk went into 12-gallon milk churns, milk kits, and he used to carry them round from the dairy onto the milk stand on the roadside on his back.
I was just going to say, how did he do it? There's some weight there.
Some weight. He and my mum used to lift it up onto a table, and then he'd stand with his back to it and put his hands over his shoulders and then lift the milk churn up onto his back and carry it round to the road. 12 gallons.